I saw this recipe 4 years ago, and now I'm finally making it. I'm Brigetta, and I'm making apple puff pastry. And now I'm going to put honey in 6 spots on my baking sheet. So I'm not measuring this, but I'm just approximating. I have 2 apples. They're not the same size, but it should be okay. So I'm going to slice them. We'll start with the smaller one. We want thin slices, and we're going to want about 4 per spot, 3 or 4 depending on the size, on top of them. So you can cut your apples any way you like. There we go, I've kind of layered them a little bit. Now I'm going to top them with cinnamon sugar. I've made up my own, but you can buy it in the store already put together. Our next part is the puff pastry. All right. Put some flour down so it won't stick. And here's our puff pastry, which I've let defrost. Okay. All right. And now our rolling pin. So I'm going to roll it out so I can get more surface to cover the apples. All right, here's our 6 pieces. I got them pretty equal. Okay, so now we're going to cover each group of apples. You want to press down. We want to try and trap all the juices inside. So push down all the way around. Now I'm going to top it with melted butter. So they'll be nice and golden brown. Now you could also use egg, that would work too. We're going to put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we're going to have to wait. Oh, now I can smell it. All right, we did lose a little filling. And I did end up cooking them longer, so I adjusted the recipe. I'd say 10 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven.
They're a little puffier than yesterday.
Yeah, they are? Okay.
They smell great.
They do smell good. So we need to let these cool before we can do the final step. And we're going to have to wait. Okay, I've moved them onto a cutting board to let them cool down quicker. And now, ooh, look at that. So this is the part you want to see. Look at the sticky pull. There we go. Looks very fancy, doesn't it? Our final step is going to be putting powdered sugar on it. Or you could create icing, put that on top. I am so ready to eat this apple puff pastry.
The kitchen smells wonderful.
All right, you going for that one?
I'm going for this one.
Okay.
Wow.
And I feel like you could use other fruit with this.
Sticky on top.
Wow.
Delicious apple pie.
Yeah. It was like an open face apple pie. Exactly. Oh, wow. Kind of messy, but very good. We could keep eating this, but we probably shouldn't.
Wow, what a sweet treat.
It
Delicious.
is. So the sweetness level will depend on the kind of apples that you use. So Cosmic Crisp, which is what I use, which is what I really like, it's higher on the sweetness level. So,
Allow me to place a apple sweetness chart right here so you can see. And
so you can pick your appropriate apples.
yes, I like the Fuji apple, the sweetest of them all. You'll find it there on the chart.
Well, I like
Oh,
this.
this is nice, Brigita.
Yeah, I'll definitely make this again.
What are we going to make next?
Um,
Go to the grocery store after this, right?
Yep. Not sure yet.
All right. Well,
All right. Thank
have a good
you
one.
so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 2 videos a week. We'll see you next time. Oh, and recipes in the description box too. We're gonna eat.